what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I am so happy to be back. So I look a mess right now. I have, like, you know, my Cleos on, and I am about to do my hair, do makeup, and get ready to go out. I'm going to be doing a quick little vloggy vlog, and I'm just really excited, you guys. Happy freaking New Year. If you guys are like into the new year, those of you that know me, you know, I've had so much to do. If you guys would like an update video on like my life and everything like that, just comment down below and I'll leave one of those. But like, I just feel like nobody cares. So I'm gonna just show you. I was supposed to be at the gym. I missed both of those today just because I was just super tired. I just got back into my apartment like literally 2 days ago. So we got back in the apartment and we've just been packing everything up because we're moving. For right now, I have to run a few errands because I'm gonna clean up a lot of the holiday decor and just make it like a regular decor setting, because I will really no longer be here after probably like March. That's basically what I've been working on. That's why I've kind of been going. It's so hard to try to like vlog or do YouTube when I'm not like in my apartment and I'm like all over the place. I really didn't like it. I wasn't like in my normal setup, so I just really couldn't concentrate or focus. I'm going to try to like do something with my hair. I have my blow dryer out. I haven't gotten my hair done in I don't know how long, you guys. I go and get my hair done, like it feels like every 6 months professionally from the hair care doctor. And in between that time, I kind of just leave it braided up and wear wigs and things like that. And in between that, I've been using, in between going to see her, I've been using this Camille Rose Honey. This is a leave-in conditioner, like y'all, it's so thick like honey. I love this. So I've been using this one as well. So before I put my wigs on, I would just take this, run this through my scalp. I haven't been taking care of my hair. I just started like really taking care of my hair again, probably like earlier of 2021. And like since then, I've noticed like my hair has kind of like been thinner than usual. So I started using this, and like my hair feels like it is so thick when I'm trying to like comb through it and stuff. So I feel like that works. And then I also just take some of this and just add it to my ends so like my hair isn't dry. I really love this stuff. It just keeps my hair so juicy. And I re-braid my hair maybe like every other week now. Gosh, oh, I'm vlogging. Look at all of that snow. Oh my gosh. Oh, Van. Slap this on. Let me show you guys what is going on because everything looks so crazy. First, I'm gonna show you this. It just looks a mess, okay? So you guys may or may not have seen my video when I put some of this decor up. And so now I'm just packing everything up basically. These are the pots and pans. This box down, this bin is the decor. This bin is more decor. This bin, I believe, is like craft. Oh, it's nothing in here. Okay. I can take this down. Oh, and there's Zaza. Say hey, mommy. This is all of my artsy and crafty things, and this is also like my party bin right here when we throw parties and stuff, all of the extras. And this is my extra little like charcuterie boards and Lazy Susans. I have charger plates in here. Yeah, so just charcuterie boards, charger plates, you know, egg. This is what I keep my eggs in. This is a glass bowl. You know, all of these things and all of these knickknacks are in here. Just gonna move this out the way. 1 second. And this is the bin where I have like my teapots and other little knickknacks that I exchanged in and out, like the cabinets and stuff like that. So teapots, bread roller. This is like those things where you hold like your desserts and stuff. The top is glass, so it's wrapped up in that paper, the glass paper. So yeah, you guys, like all of this stuff is packed up. And so I'm also going to pack up all of these things too, and I'm gonna do that in a separate video. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. And then this is just all the stuff that I stacked on here from when I was packing. This bag is so cute. My sister bought me this from Akira. So yeah, I am just going to be getting ready. I'm really looking for my wig. I have like no idea where it's at. I need like my hairsprays. So yeah, how was you guys' New Year? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys did for New Year. I want to know all the details. My closet looks a mess. Stuffed all this stuff here in the closet, but I have these cute little wig hangers. I have another one like right over here. So yeah, I don't want to wear any of these wigs. I have another wig, and then since I'm home, I haven't been able to do my curl ones or anything like that. So now that I'm home, even though I'm not going to too many places, I'm gonna do like I'm gonna use my curl one. So I'm just gonna put some alcohol on this rack. I'm really gonna do all of this stuff really quick. Ah! Alcohol is getting everywhere. The final look. So it's just a really simple look. I have to do my lashes because I don't have any lashes on. Using the tint mascara, like it's literally all damaged up. I got this from one of my BoxyCharm boxes, and now that that's on, I'm gonna go ahead and get dressed and use this Palmer's oil. We're gonna take this and flatten the top a little bit more. So I'm probably not gonna wear the jacket throughout the day, but this is just what I'm wearing. I'll probably set back a little bit. I just have some jeans on, the trench coat, and then some black boots that you guys probably saw me get in the other video. And then I'm just gonna be wearing my little small black tote. So on the to-do list for today, I want to have my boyfriend take some of these containers out. I want some of these containers to go to the storage room already, so I want to make sure I finish packing those up. But we are going to head to Sephora, then the Nike store, and then I'm going to just visit Marshall's, TJ Maxx or something like that, or Home Goods, just so I could kind of get like a game plan on where I want to go with the decor now that we are done with the holidays, because again, we won't be here in this apartment much longer. Probably won't buy anything today, but I do want to get a game plan going. So yeah, you guys. And then I want to go to this spot that is about 35 minutes away from here to go and get some birria tacos, because I've been craving them for the longest time. And so yeah, that's actually what I want to do first before I do anything else, and then I'm going to go and get my cat food. So I got a lot to do today, and I gotta get the cat food before 5 o'clock. So I'm probably going to do tacos, cat food, and then everything else. So we're going to be bringing you guys along with me. Local taco Mexican spot that I really like. They had the birria tacos. I don't really know how to pronounce it. My boyfriend called it birria, but every time I'm around them, they say birria. So, oops, thank you. Okay, y'all, so, yeah. So now we are on our way to the Nike store first, I would say. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So I'm back at home. As you can see, I didn't actually end up getting anything from Sephora, so I didn't vlog that because I didn't go. The only place that I went is to the Nike store, and I only went to the Nike store because my boyfriend had to get something out of the Nike store, and then after that everything was pretty much a wrap. So I didn't end up actually getting to do anything that was on my list for today. So now I am at home. What I'm going to end up doing tonight for the rest of the night though, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to clean up the dishes a little bit. I'm going to make some tacos. I know it's like you just had tacos, but I mean it's a quick meal, or I think I can make something else. I don't know, I'm gonna see about that. Finish cleaning up here. I'm gonna make some dinner or whatnot. I have these flowers here and I want to go ahead and put them in a vase, but all of this clutter is so annoying. Like I just cannot concentrate. I am gonna try to straighten some of this stuff up a little more. I haven't been posting, but I just again haven't gotten around to posting, but I've been vlogging. We did Miss Icy's kitchen and a whole lot of other things, so I'm just going to be posting those videos and uploading them throughout the time. So you guys probably won't see this until like January the 12th or something like that, but thank you guys for keeping up with me. So yeah, for the rest of the night you guys are just going to kind of see me unwind and kind of like get myself together. And I'm kind of stuffy, so I'm gonna take some medicine for that. I like to do 2 of these. Okay. That was water. I'm sorry, Zaza. You're upset. dishes are done. I'm gonna throw this glass away because it is broken. I didn't cook tacos. It's something really simple, something really quick. So I just made, I have to stir it up. I just added a little bit more seasoning. Just some simple dirty rice, basically. Really simple recipe, very easy to make. Oh, it is done. Okay, it's done. Let me go ahead and pull that out. On them girls. I want to make a separate video of me completely dismantling my Christmas and holiday setup. Girl, I'm just so ready to be done with this entire setup. That one more like on the side. Okay, so all of the Christmas decor is in here. All of my little holiday charcuterie and things like that are in the bin. All of the extra little pots and pans that I have that needs to go to storage is there. So everything is just cleared out. I think I want to take that down.